Hey everyone, not sure if it's morning or afternoon, but good morning or afternoon to you. What a meaningful moment this is for me and for all of us at Wawiwa Tech, for our partners at Cinse 360, and especially for you, our very first group of Power BI graduate in Mexico. Over the past 4 weeks, with the expert instruction from Tito, your local trainer, you've taken part in a program designed not only just to explain Power BI, but to help you use it effectively. You'll learn how to connect data sources, create impactful visualization, and build interactive dashboards. And you did it hands-on, applying everything in practice, not just theory. That hands-on, job-effective training is at the heart of Wawiwa's methodology. Our programs are built to reflect the real needs of the industry, equipping professionals like yourself with skills that can apply immediately and with confidence. Your achievements today is a meaningful step in your own personal journey of growth. Whether you're aiming to advance in your current role, switch careers, or simply stay ahead in a fast-changing world, this program supports your path of lifelong learning and continuous upskilling. At Wawiwa, our mission is to reskill the world to tech. And we do it globally with partners and training centers across Europe, Asia, and the Americas, all sharing the same commitment to hands-on, industry-relevant education. We hope this experience was valuable for you, and I'd love to hear your feedback. So please feel free to share your thoughts with Cinse 360. Your suggestions will come to us. Your suggestions do matter, and your recommendation of this program and other Wawiwa Tech courses offered by Cinse 360 to colleagues and friends would mean a lot to us. We'd certainly be happy to see you take advantage of more upskilling opportunities with us in the near future. Congratulations again. And until next time, keep building your future and gain new skills. Thank you very much.